Louis-Alexandre Berthier was a prominent French military leader and marshal of the empire who played a crucial role as Napoleon Bonaparte's chief of staff. Born on November 20, 1753, in Versailles into a family with a strong military tradition, his father was an officer in the Corps of Topographical Engineers. Berthier entered military service at the age of 17 and initially focused on technical and cartographic duties, which developed his remarkable talent for organization and logistics. He served with distinction during the American Revolutionary War, where he joined the French Expeditionary Force under Rochambeau, gaining practical experience in coordinating complex operations. During the French Revolution, he aligned himself with the revolutionary government, rising to the rank of General of Division and proving his abilities during the internal pacification of the Vade region. When Napoleon assumed command of the Army of Italy in 1796, Berthier quickly became his closest operational partner, translating the general's strategic concepts into precise orders and managing supplies, troop deployments, and correspondence. His capacity to issue clear and detailed instructions under extreme pressure became legendary, allowing Napoleon to concentrate on strategy while Berthier supervised the immense bureaucratic machinery that kept the army functioning. He was instrumental in the success of the Italian campaigns, the Egyptian expedition, where he temporarily governed Cairo, and the stunning victories at Marengo, Ulm, Austerlitz, and Jena. In 1804, Napoleon rewarded his indispensable service by naming him Marshal of the Empire, and Berthier was further ennobled as Prince of Neuchâtel and Valangin in 1806 and later as Sovereign Prince of Wagram after the 1809 campaign against Austria. Despite his administrative genius, Berthier was not regarded as an inspiring battlefield commander. When placed in independent command, such as during the brief 1809 advance into Bavaria, he hesitated and required Napoleon's personal intervention to correct the situation. Nevertheless, he remained utterly loyal, accompanying the emperor during the Russian campaign of 1812, the German campaign of 1813, and the defense of France in 1814. After Napoleon's abdication, Berthier tried to reconcile with the restored Bourbon monarchy and accepted the position of peer of France under Louis XVIII. His refusal to rejoin Napoleon during the Hundred Days in 1815 led to his increasing isolation and suspicion from both royalists and Bonapartists. On June 1, 1815, he died at Bamberg under circumstances that remain controversial. Some accounts claim he fell accidentally from a window while watching troops pass by, others suggest he committed suicide out of despair, and some even believe he was murdered by royalist agents or under pressure from his wife's Bavarian relatives. Despite the ambiguity surrounding his death, Berthier's legacy as Napoleon's brilliant chief of staff is secure, and historians continue to regard him as one of the most effective organizers in military history, whose tireless precision and methodical work were essential to the success of the Grande Armée's legendary campaigns.